feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God will.
Real quick, guys, today I am going to share with you guys the continuation of the previous video that we talked about, how you can use this, how you can, open your position when using this 21 moving average and 200 moving average here. And then we talked about you waiting for this. Look at this. I am still waiting for this formation, and as you can see right now, this particular formation here it has gotten to this our 21 moving average, guys. All right, so that day we discussed and we talked about how these things worked on 4-hour time frame. So I said that I'm going to do a part 2 of that particular video, so that you will be able to understand where you're going to open your position on lower time frame after analyzing on higher time frame. So with that being said, guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from Global FX, and what I do here is whenever I come across any strategy or any secret that I believe that is going to help you trade profitably and successfully, I come to my channel here and share it with you guys, so that you, my subscribers, my audience, and my viewers will be able to use this strategy to make a lot of money for yourselves. All right, so that is the love, and that is what I sign here on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, guys, if you are getting value from this content, do not forget to smash that like button and also turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I share valuable content like this, you will be able to get a notification that I have shared another valuable content that will help you trade profitably and successfully. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It's very, very important for this channel to grow. And as I said earlier on, do me that favor and do others that favor to smash that like button, so that YouTube will be able to push this video to others that are searching for valuable content like this, that will help them build and trade profitably and successfully when trading volatility 75 index or synthetic indices. All right, so it's as simple as that. So with that being said, guys, let's dive fully into the video. Let me walk you through when you're supposed to open your position on lower time frame, and how you are going to monitor your trade and know where to exit that particular position. So now when you look at this here, we talked about this the other day, about waiting for this particular movement here. So you can see that this volatility 75 index here has not gotten to the proper zone that we supposed to open our position. I said that earlier on, or I said that in the previous video, that whenever this 21 moving average is above, when the price is above this 21 moving average, it serves as a support. And then whenever the price is price action is below the 21 moving average, it means that the market is selling. It's as simple as that. And do not forget, we have our overall trend direction here, which is our 200 moving average. So whenever the price in general is below this our 200 moving average, apart from this particular 21 moving average, that is to say the market is selling. And whenever it's above it, it means it is a strong buy or strong bullish trend. All right, so it's as simple as that. So now I am still waiting patiently for this market to form the complete the formation, and as soon as this market complete the formation, we drew something like W on our higher time frame, which is our 4-hour time frame that we analyzed on the previous video. And I am still waiting for the formation to complete, and as soon as the formation completes, guys, I am going to open my position and I move the market back to up. It's as simple as that. But this is 1-hour time frame. We discussed on 4-hour time frame that day, and look at this here. Whenever you spot something, I said something like this that day, whenever you spot that this particular 21 moving average, as you can see right now, you will see that all the price actions are, look at the price action here, look at the market movement, all the whole market movements, they are all below these 21 moving averages, guys. All right, so now on the process, you will see that this 21 moving average crossed this our 200 moving average. That is a strong sell zone for you to open your position. All right, this is a place that if you happens to find yourself at this particular zone here and you spot these two crossover, that is when you are going to open your position. Then you go to sleep, because you have peace of mind and you allow that particular position to run, because it's going to go far. You can see that here. Imagine you open your position somewhere here, all right, on this 1-hour time frame, and you go to sleep or you walk away from your system and you allow this market to get to this place on 1 hour time frame, guys. I believe you understand what I'm saying. This is a lot of money, guys. This is a lot of money. All right, it's as simple as that. So now, not here, we are not going to stop here on our 1 hour time frame, because there are many opportunities when you go to a lower time frame. Look at buy situation here, guys. As you can see this here, look at buy situation here. All right, look at the price action above 21 moving average, and this is 200 moving average. So once you spot something like this, guys, this is another go to sleep signal, guys. You open your position. Once you spot it this way, just allow the market to come back to that 21 moving average. As soon as the pullback completes and the market start going back up a little bit, open your position, guys. Open as many positions as you can, then allow your trade, allow your profit to run, go to sleep. And before you go to sleep, always make sure you run your analysis, your top-down analysis from higher time frame, and you understand that this is a trendy market. That is when you can go to sleep. Without that, you will be doing what they call quick scalping. All right, you scalp a little bit, you go out of the market. You scalp a little bit, you go out of the market. So it's as simple as that. So now this is on 1 hour time frame, guys. All right, this is on 1 hour time frame. So when you go to our 15-minute time frame, you are going look at the current situation of the market now. All right, look at this here. This is our 21 moving average. Let's look for our 200 moving average. You can see that our 200 moving average is above the price action, or the 200 moving average is above our price action. So we are not going to really look for a long position on this particular current situation of this market now, because our 200 moving average is above the price action, which is the market is still selling. But when you look at our 21 moving average, look at the prices and look at the rejections. All right, look at multiple rejections at this zone. So if I happen to scalp from this particular volatility 75 index on 15-minute time frame, look at how we allow this current candle that is selling right now with long wick to get to this 21 moving average. Then I will open my position on buy and I will scalp as soon as this particular, because most of you do not know what they call scalping. Once you open your position at this zone here, look at this wick that you're seeing. Definitely it's going to fall. All right, it's going to fall. That is, this particular wick that you're seeing is going to turn to this pure green line, that green stuff that you can see that is already turned into green. All right, so once you open your position, as soon as this candle is completing or the formation of this candle is completing, you have to go out of the market. That is a quick scalping for you. So right now, if you want to open any position here on this situation now, because already the price action is above this our 21 moving average, and mind you, not all the whole zones, not all the whole price action above 21 moving average are strong signals. All right, sometimes it will be a fake out, but just with what you analyze, you'll be able to know if this is what you can do or if this is where you can open your position or not. All right, so now if you happen to do anything here, it means you're going to do a quick scalping of buy here. Once you do a quick scalping of buy here, you can see what I'm saying. The market is buying right now. So if you do a quick scalping of buy, once the market gets to somewhere here, you're out of the market. That's quick scalping, guys. You're out of the market. This is the best way you can scalp. This is the best strategy that you can scalp, and this is how you are going to scalp and make a lot of money from volatility 75 index. You can see what I'm saying here, guys. You see this here, you see the current candle that is buying right now. So that is to say, once you get to this edge here, I am going to exit the market. This is 15-minute time frame. You can see it seriously is buying. All right, you can see this seriously, it is buying. All right, so that is how it is, and this is 15-minute time frame. So if I scroll down like this, you will see what I was explaining to you guys here. Look at our 200 moving average here, and then look at the same thing that we saw on 1 hour time frame, guys. As soon as this particular price action is below this 21 moving average, you can see all the price action are rejecting at this 21 moving average. Meanwhile, this our 200 moving average is above our price action. So that is a pure sell signal. All right, so if you're getting value from this video, guys, do not forget to smash that like button, because it will help YouTube to push this video to people or others that are searching for valuable content like this, that will enable them understand how volatility 75 index works, and where to open their position and where to close their position. So whenever you open your position this way, now allow it to run, give you 25, 30, 50 pips, you're out of the market, guys. You have made a lot of money. This is 15-minute time frame on volatility 75 index, the most volatile pair on synthetic indices. All right, so now look at it here. This is 15-minute time frame. So once you spot that, look at this, look at our 200 moving average again, and these are the price action is below our 21 moving average here, guys. Now what you just need to do, probably you spot this market at this zone. Do not just jump into it, because already you see that this is if it happens to be at this particular zone, you can see that this is selling already. Do not just jump into it. Allow it to have a pullback to the 21 moving average. As soon as you spot that pullback to 21 moving average and the market start coming back, you open your position immediately, allow it to run. Once you allow it to run, then where if you don't have that that mindset or that lever to allow the market to go far, just make sure once you have once the market gives you a perfect profit or a reasonable profit, just take your profit and go out of the market. That is what they call quick scalping. All right, so but once you spot it at this kind scenario, look at this here, just like what we analyzed before. Look at this here. Once you spot something like this, and before you spot something like this, you have analyzed on your higher time frame, and you understand that this is how this market will be selling, and you come across the same market, the same pair that you analyzed on higher time frame that is selling on 15-minute time frame, guys, and you spot this kind of crossover, guys, you have to open your position. I mean, you can open as many as your account can carry, then you allow it go to sleep, guys, because that is it. You have made a lot of money. You have made history. You have changed the way you trade around. Look at this here. Look at it. I am not showing you what is not working. Once you spot this kind of crossover after analyzing on higher time frame, and if you have not watched the previous video, the first video that we talked about how it works on higher time frame, be sure to pause this particular video and go back to the previous video and watch it. After watching it, then you come back to this and continue, so that you'll be able to understand what we are explaining here. So once you spot the zone like this, something like this, what you just need to do is open as multiple positions as your account can carry, then you allow it. Look at the movement. You see this, guys. Okay, let me just take for instance, you open your position somewhere there, then you allow that market to run to this place on 15-minute time frame, volatility 75 index, guys. There is nothing that you are going to tell me that you have not made a lot of money. You have made a lot of money and you are good to go, guys. It's as simple as that. This particular secret that I'm sharing with you guys here, you are going to pay heavily for it if it is other mentors or other teachers that are trying to show you or share this with you guys. But I am sharing this information with you guys for free, because I want every one of you to make money. There are many funds to be made here on this forex market. So I am not the type of person that hide information. I normally share all the information that I come across, that I know that you're going to put a lot of money in your pocket as my audience and my subscribers and all that. All right, so that is how it is. So let's go to 5-minute time frame and check again and see what is going on. Then when you look at this here, you can see that probably by now our TP might have been hit here. If you look at that, our 15-minute time frame that we analyzed, that we're supposed to buy from this particular zone to the closure of that candle, like it is not something that we are negotiating. This is what we clearly know and see. Now when you look at this here, you will see that on 5-minute time frame is trying to go above our 200 moving average, which we are not going to freak out on this. When you look our the previous video that we talked about this on 4-hour time frame, you will see that what we were waiting for on that video was for the complete formation to the formation of that 4-hour time frame to complete. Then we go on long, and when you come to this 5-minute time frame, you will see that this particular one is trying to remind us of what we were waiting for at that particular 4-hour time frame. So look at it here now. You can see that the second candle has closed above this place. So whatever this market is going to do, it will be trending on this zone, which is zone of this particular place throughout. All right, it's as simple as that. This is volatility 75 index, guys. So that is how simple it is for you to locate where you're going to open your position and how you are going to go out of the position. Look at this here. You can still do the same thing that we look at our 200 moving average. You can see the black line there, and then look at our 21 moving average. The price has been hitting on it, and the price action is below this. You scalp, guys, you scalp. But if you are waiting on higher time frame, that is to say you have a reasonable account size and you want to go what is called long. All right, that is, you are buying and you are buying for a very long time. You let it run. All right, that is, if you have a reasonable amount of money in your account, you are going to open. And if you are going long, do not open multiple position. Open at least 1 or 2 trades. Then with a proper risk management. Once you do that, you are good to go. Go to sleep, set your stop loss, and that is it. Set your TP. You go to sleep. That is it, because you have already seen the direction of the market, and that is how you are going to make a lot of money trading volatility 75 index. So if you are getting value from this video, as I said earlier, do not forget to smash that like button so that this video will go viral and locate others that are also searching for valuable content like this. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button. It's very, very important for this channel to grow as well. So that is how it is. And if you want me to mentor you on how to trade synthetic indices and other synthetic indices, and the volatility 75 index, boom and crash, jump, and all that, guys, be sure to use the number in the description of this video. I'm going to leave my number in the description of this video. I mean, the serious-minded people, do not contact me to ask me questions. If you have any question, be sure to use the comment section and drop your question, and I will definitely get back to you with the answer to your question. And if you want me to mentor you, as I said earlier on, use the number in the description of this video, and my number ends with 58, guys. So use the number in the description of this video and let me know that you want me to mentor you on how to trade volatility 75 index and other synthetic indices, boom and crash, and all that. And I will definitely get back to you with the answer. And if you are not ready, if you do not have enough money to go on mentorship program, be sure to use the check the link in the description of this video. I'm going to leave the link to my books in the description of this video as well. Grab a copy of those books and go through it, and I believe those books are going to help you start trading profitably and successfully if you do not have enough money to enroll yourself on mentorship program. So that's how it is, guys. Signing out, Olites. Peace.